MB Sea Guardian, Bacolod Vessel Traffic Service. Bacolod Vessel Traffic Service. This is Motor Vessel Sea Guardian. Call sign Alpha Bravo Charlie Delta 1 2 3. Length 185 meters. Draft 9.2 meters. Inbound from Cebu City. Requesting permission to enter approach channel. Over.
MVC Guardian, this is Bacolod Vessel Traffic Service. Roger your call. Vessel details confirmed. Current traffic in approach channel. One fishing vessel operating approximately 2 nautical miles southeast of channel entrance, and one tugboat with barge departing port to your starboard side. Water depth in approach channel is minimum 1-2 meters. Visibility is 5 nautical miles. Wind from northwest at 10 knots. Current set 090 degrees at 0.8 knots. Advise you maintain speed 10 knots or less and proceed to waypoint Bravo 3. Do you copy? Over.
Bacolod BTS MVC Guardian. Complying all. We have sight the fishing vessel and tug barge. Combination on radar and visual watch. We will adjust course slightly to port to maintain safe passing distance. Our navigation equipment is all operational and we have 2 lookout posted. Request information on any navigational hazard in the sea area. Over.
MVC Guardian. Roger your course adjustment. That is approved. Navigational hazard advisory. Floating debris reported approximately 1 nautical miles north of waypoint Bravo 3. Please proceed with caution through that area. Also, a dredging operation is ongoing 3 nautical miles inside the port entrance. Follow marked channel buoys strictly. Next, report required when you reach waypoint Bravo 3 or immediately if any safety concerns arise. Over.
Bacolod VTS MB Sea Guardian. At waypoint Bravo 3 floating debris sighted and avoided. Dredging operation visible ahead. We are preferring to reduce speed for berthing. Request assessed. Berth and pilot boarding. Information. Over.
MVC Guardian. Assigned berth is berth number 4. Pilot will board at pilot station Echo, located 0.5 nautical miles from port entrance at position 10 degree 40 north, 122 degree 57 east. Pilot boat port guide is en route to your position, displaying yellow flashing lights. Maintain speed 5 knots until pilot is on board. All mooring lines and fenders are to be prepared prior to berthing. Confirm you understand all instructions. Over.
Bacolod VTS MB Sea Guardian. Confirm. Assigned to berth 4. Pilot boarding at Eco Station. From port guide. Maintaining 5 knot. Preferring mooring equipment. We will report once. Pilot in one board. Thank you for assist. Over and out.
MVC Guardian, you are welcome. Safe passage and berthing. Over and out.